The other guy's like, all right, I'm out, peace.
Get off the bike. Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
Okay.
Am I gonna fuck it up if I lift it like this?
I mean, you probably already fucked it up from slamming into the ground.
On April 1st, 2024, in Hamilton, Canada, an officer confronted a biker, suspecting him of hiding his number plate. The situation quickly escalated, and the biker was brutally struck by the officer. The entire incident was recorded on the biker's helmet cam, providing clear evidence of what occurred. Following the event, the officer attempted to justify his actions, making statements that raised questions about his version of the events. We'll take a closer look at how this unfolded and the details revealed by the footage.
And my buddy's like, oh fuck, and he's like, guess we gotta give it back to him. And he gives it to the other guy. The other guy's like, all right, I'm out, peace.
Get off the bike. Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
Okay. What did I do? Ow.
When he was hiding, I thought he was trying to take off.
What?
So, when you came by and your license plate is hidden like that?
It's not even my bike. It's my dad's.
Sorry?
It's not even my bike, it's my dad's.
It's your dad's. Okay. Is it gonna fuck up if I try to lift it like this?
Huh?
Am I gonna fuck it up if I lift it like this?
I mean, you probably already fucked it up from slamming into the ground.
I didn't slam it on the ground.
I don't know, man.
Alright. You have a driver's license on you?
Yeah. Just leave it.
I'll get him to lift it up if it can't stand on.
During the incident, the officer can be heard communicating with his partner, claiming that he saw the biker hiding his number plate. However, it's clear that he might have assumed the biker didn't have a plate at all. This assumption likely led the officer to escalate the situation. He stepped out of his car, sneaked up behind the biker, and forcibly threw him off the bike. But here's where things took a turn. After the interaction, the officer finally noticed the number plate. It wasn't missing after all. It was simply embedded slightly inside the back of the bike, partially out of plain view. Realizing this, the officer's demeanor shifted. He began acting more rational, even putting in the effort to stand the bike back up again, perhaps in an attempt to defuse the tension or correct his earlier actions.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I just said. It's in my pocket here. For this jacket pocket, yeah.
Let me just get your ID and then I'm gonna uncuff you, alright?
Alright. Got insurance in there too.
Oh?
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah.
Slide one knee up. Help you out.
Ugh. I would have pulled over.
So the reason normally we would.
Yeah.
When guys hide the fucking license plate,
Yeah.
they don't pull over, they take off.
Well, if guys are gonna take off, they won't have a license plate, to be fair.
No, but what they do is they do like what you do where you tuck it behind the fender. I've had guys where they'll put magnets and then just
Yeah.
flip it down.
But I mean, if you're gonna run from the cops, you wouldn't want a license plate anyways, right?
No, I wouldn't think so, but they
Yeah.
do it, and they put stolen plates on there and
Yeah.
whatever else.
Fair enough.
So that's why I had to do that, is just so you wouldn't fly.
All right.
But anyways, all right. I'm just gonna run your plate. As long as everything's okay, you're good to go. Just gonna traffic stop at Fennel and Westcoast. Ontario market when you're ready. Bike okay?
No, it's like that. This is all fucking bent and shit now.
9 November 9 X-ray 7. Yes?
Yeah, like you see how it's all bent now? It's like bent like this. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't drive a bike. I don't have to pay no reference. Does it start now?
It's probably just the tip over sensor. You usually gotta do this a couple times for it to turn on.
Okay.
I don't know.
I really hope.
I don't know. I'm gonna give it a little bit.
Yeah, everything's 10 forces license. We're good.
You didn't have to like throw me off the bike.
I wasn't trying to throw you. I was just trying to hold you so you wouldn't. Like, I was holding you so you
You threw me, man. Come on. You want the insurance?
Do you have it on you?
Yep.
Yeah, he came back that it's your dad's car, so when that, or your dad's ride, but when that's the case, guys don't usually carry insurance. Yeah, well, I gotta make this right, so what can you do?
I don't know. You tell me. I've never had in a situation like this.
I mean, generally, they pick it up and drive off. I don't know.
I don't know, man. Like, is there like a reimbursement for my fucked up handlebar? I don't know.
You put it in. Like, I'll look into it for you. It's my bad. Like, it's my fault.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's not even my bike, which is like the fucking worst part about it.
let me get my sergeant here, see what we can do for you.
Okay, thank you.
Try to start it in the meantime. And
Okay. God damn, that was crazy. That was crazy.
Following the incident, the biker decided to take legal action against the officer. He filed a lawsuit, citing the officer's alleged actions based on assumptions rather than confirming the non-existence of the number plate. The lawsuit highlighted several key issues: the unnecessary escalation of the situation, mishandled conduct without proper cause, harm to the vehicle, and ultimately, a waste of time and resources. This case raises important questions about accountability and the need for officers to verify facts before resorting to such extreme measures. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to check out this video for more police-citizen interactions.